Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add new fonts on Photoshop. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta find a website that you can download fonts. Because of that, I added awesome websites that involves gorgeous fonts to the description. I generally use the font because it has always great options for me. This is just the first page, but if you wanna explore new categories, you can try this section too. Now please watch it carefully and apply it. It won't be hard. Now you should pick all of them and carry them to your desktop and click on this. After you click on that, you're gonna see two options right there. The language of my computer is right now Turkish, so you're gonna see this section as install. So tap on it, tap to the install section, and it's done. So let's open Photoshop application and try this out. Now you should pick writing tool and you gotta find Squid Game fonts or Game of Squids font, and let's try this out. Yeah, it successfully worked. Thank you guys for watching, and if this video helps you, please don't forget to like the video and make sure to subscribe my channel. Take care and goodbye.